love Airbnbs. Expensive habits. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The special thing about today is that we are finally going on a road trip. It's 5:30 now. Everything is done. Everything is packed. Yeah, I just thought of taking you all along with us on this short little trip. Stay tuned. Bye. Are about just halfway.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
200 kilometers away from our destination, and we just had our breakfast. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
A few moments later. पण काय बरं दिसता अगो आम्ही ते करताली करूया. Hey you guys, we are checking in after a really long time. I guess it's been like 6 hours of drive, and we are super tired, as you all can see on our faces, and we need a good amount of sleep actually. So we are just 24 kilometers away from the destination. That's the update. Everything looks great.
Fun. We started talking on
the
how
roads are very bad.
The roads have been.
Yeah, car खूप बुरशी झाली. But anyways, ती निदली basically. आणि हा निदली.
Just for a few minutes.
Okay, bye.
This is really good.
So, I just forgot to mention that where we are traveling, and it is this beautiful place called Panchgani. So, this is our very first time, but I was shocked when I saw the whole environment, because this place gives so much Manali vibes, which in 2018 we had gone to visit Manali, and then it is like giving all the Manali feels here. So yeah, let me show you where we are staying. So we booked this villa on, of course, the Airbnb, and we love Airbnbs. So yeah, let me just show you all the whole villa and how it looks. And trust me, this is like under 3,500. So I think this is the best deal that we got on Airbnb. So yeah, let's just get into it. Anyways, so as we enter, we have this living area. I think this is one of the most like spacious Airbnbs that we have stayed. And as we enter, please, we have this seating area along with a dining table situation, which is not a very regular looking dining table. As you all can see, there are a lot of stuff. Can you please zoom in? So these are the expensive habits the guy has. Anyways, let me show you the kitchen. Of course, it has all the basic amenities such as the gas and खूप किती किती असा no, like yeah, Prachi has seen it. And then we have this fridge. So it's a basic kitchen, but love it. We have this TV unit area. Maybe we are going to watch some TV or some shows later on. We also have another bathroom. Let's go upstairs. It's a 2 BHK villa. Another thing about the villa is that when I was like looking out for good places, this was the only like good villa that was in our budget. And when I say in my budget, the rest of them were like really expensive, going about more than like 10,000 and then also 20,000. So yeah, I think finding this one was like a sweet spot. So this is the room one. It's a small room but has all the basic things, bed and everything is super clean also. Then you have this a little balcony sort of a situation, which is not technically a balcony, but yeah, you get the view. And then there is a full like dressing mirror situation happening here, and also it has a TV. Then you have the wardrobe area. So we also have the washroom. It's pretty clean. It's super spacious. And I mean, we can have in 3,500. I think it's a very good like deal that we got. So this is the second room that I'm going to show you all. Come with me. So it's pretty much the same actually. It has the same like bed and all the bed sheet and wardrobe, then the mirror and also the bathroom. But the highlight of this room is obviously this, the view. Of course, we live for the view, and just come along and see the mountain view. There's fog all around, and to be really honest, these things I had not like expected from like Panchgani. I don't know for what reason. I was just like underestimating the weather also. But the weather is so damn romantic. It is very cozy, and we are here for today and then tomorrow. And today we are just going to rest because it's been a hectic day, of course, with all the bed roads and everything. But then now we are going to rest, and tomorrow is the day wherein we are going to explore the streets. It's so like greener here, no? Like it's very much greener. You feel like you are closer to the nature, and it gives all the Manali vibes. Very like short road trip, but I think it's going to be worth it. Hi, so this is after a nap, and everyone was like craving some coffee, so we decided to make some. So there were no like quick deliveries happening here, so we just had a little bit of coffee. All over India, we are the part, we are the part. So now we are making some Maggie and some McCain's because here there is no like delivery of most of the like food, so nobody is like delivering even the Zomato or like the Swiggy. So we just got some Maggie, and we are going to prepare some Maggie along with some McCain and have a good warm dinner. बल्ले बल्ले.
ये देखिए, ये एकदम गर्मा गर्म ऐसे पकोड़े यहाँ पे तैयार हो गए हैं. होगी जुबान की बल्ले बल्ले. और ये शेफ सोनी अगला बैच डालते हुए, और शेफ नितिशा आज प्रेजेंट कर रही है हमारे सामने मैगी नूडल्स. और शेफ सोनी जो है वो ये चीज दे पकोड़े हमारे सामने पेश करेगी. चीज दी भजिया.
This is what our dinner looked like. Simple Maggie and some McCain to go along with it. It was very wholesome, and yeah, that's it for day one.
Hey you guys, good morning. It is the next day. तू सगळं पावला सुद्धा? Yeah. What's the time? 6:50 right now. But firstly, let me just show you all how it looks in front of me, the view. I mean, to be really honest, it's so breathtaking, but the camera is not able to do the justice. But I'm going to capture as much as I can and show it to you guys. This is Nitisha already. She's looking nice, of course. So the plan for today is that we are going to go Mahabaleshwar
right now we are in Panchgani. So we are going to be going to the temple and also then for the Pratapgarh Fort trek. So let's see how that goes. The weather here is kind of a little bit of rainy. And yeah, meet Prachi.
We are ready.
We are all ready. These guys were very sleepy, so then I was like,
Oh, please.
so
See you.
bye. Yeah, we have taken a quick stop
because
in the mid. We have to. There were no plans as such, but then we had to because
the environment is so good.
and the song, as you all can listen.
Exactly.
The song.
Just show them. Just show them.
The place is breathtaking.
Guys, it's really pretty.
Pretty.
Look at me.
So now we just taken a halt because the view was so like stunning that we had to take a stop and take some good pictures, and then we'll be heading towards a temple. It's too pretty to miss out. Wow.
This is so good actually. So pretty.
Sounds good. Did you guys have?
Now, just like beside the temple, you have a lot of food stalls which serves like yummy food, and we had samosas there, which was like so good that we ended eating up so much. And then there are also these smaller temples that you can definitely visit.
You are feeling blessed.
Yes.
Very, very blessed.
कृष्णाई मंदिरामध्ये आम्ही आता जात आहोत.
मराठीमध्ये बोलायचं. Okay, so we just went to two temples.
Mahabaleshwar temple and Panchaganga mandir.
Created some core memories.
Yes.
Panchaganga. Everything, like every street, every like place that you visit is so like scenic, and you just feel like clicking a lot of pictures, a lot of videos. It also gives like very old town vibes. म्हटलं ना, like it's not like
Krishna cottage movie vibes or 1920
Yeah.
horror movie vibes. Like,
किती गो old school vibe which we all love.
yes.
Yeah. Where is the temple? Wow. Oh my god.
Wow.
Let me just show you all what is there in front of us. It's breathtaking. That is stunning. So after Panchaganga and Mahabaleshwar temple, we visited this ancient Krishnai mandir, which was so stunning. The architecture, all the sculpture looked amazing, and just in front of it is this beautiful valley which was like covered, but it was breathtaking indeed. And then we decided to head to Pratapgarh Fort, but then it was so like foggy that we had to cancel it. So if you are in Panchgani or you want to like have some good vegetarian food, you have to try out Purohit's Namaste. They have like some yummy delicious food which we had for 2 days. Hey you guys, so I am vlogging after a really long time. We just took a nap after the lunch, and now the plan was actually something else, but since everything is looking like this, very foggy, like nothing can be seen. So now we just decided to
Head
just
to the market
yeah,
and just buy
buy
something because
some
it's going.
strawberries, girls. And I think we didn't tell them about the Pratapgarh fort.
Okay,
Yeah.
we had to
Mm.
cancel
So
it.
we went halfway up there, but then it was all foggy, nothing could be
was
seen. And
really
also,
even difficult to drive because we could not see what's ahead.
eventually we decided to like cancel it because I think it wouldn't have been like worth it.
Yes.
But talking about the Mahabaleshwar place, the temples there are so good.
Really blessed.
So like you are not allowed to shoot inside the temples. So
Yeah.
that is why we could not show you all how the place was. But there, I think you must visit those temples because those are like very ancient temples, and those temples has like different energy.
Actually,
Like,
and
yeah.
it is not crowded. The most important thing
Mm.
is, or maybe we went really early, so
Yeah.
while we leave, we can see some viewpoints, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Because yesterday when we were arriving
Arriving,
here,
yeah.
everything was so scenic.
And
Yeah.
we could see clearly.
But so far so good. See you in a bit.
Yes.
Okay. So now we are
Streets of Manali.
walking the streets of
Mini Manali.
Panchagani.
so foggy.
There's actually place. There's nothing to buy stuff or something like this.
We explored the streets of Panchgani, but since it was too foggy, we couldn't like go elsewhere. So we just headed to this cafe called Chef 11, which was quite good actually. And we had a lot of food here, some garlic bread, some momo, which was really nice. So you can really try this place if you are traveling here. Then I also like indulged into some pancakes, but yeah, it was really yummy. It is 10 p.m. right now and had our dinner and किती खाल्लेलं ग आम्ही
Fried
Dinner, agami fried rice, momos.
Okay, so everything that you all saw, it was a mixture of different types of food. And now we want to do some like fun thing. So we just decided to play.
Would you
Would you
rather?
rather? See how is she feeling now? How are you feeling?
Great.
She's okay, I can survive.
Would you rather find true love or win 10 crore rupees?
I think I'll go for love here because somewhere 10 crore rupees. Oh, no. It is 10 crore rupees for me. Sorry.
Because what?
Because I can multiply it, compound that money basically, and make more money.
Money. Would you
Actually.
rather live your dream life but have no friends or have lots of friends but always struggle? Friends.
This you have to choose, no? I'll choose to live my dream life and have no friends.
No friends, no husband.
But my dream.
Friends.
Okay.
सध्या माझा मूड सांगता की I want my dream life.
Okay.
And
Hey you guys, it is the next day and we are now leaving, but surprisingly the weather here has turned out to be like very very sunny here today. Okay, so we have checked out and we are now. I don't know how much you all are able to hear it because it is damn windy first of all. But let me show you the view. This is called the Sydney Point there, and it was not that crowded actually, which was really nice. And from here you could like see every valley, and it was a stunning place indeed. We enjoyed every bit of it. The wind there was so strong that we were not able to like stand there for like long time. हम बाहेर चलले ॲक्च्युली करायला
yes,
खूप विंड आहे सांगा लिटरली
yeah.
and but thank god that it's sunny today. Now on our way back we just decided to have
sneak peek of
These valleys.
valleys. This was the Sydney Point and so मजा आली.
Yes, माझे केस. मला
Sorry.
खूप मजा आली.
प्राची बोलले की
फर्स्ट टाइम माझे केस म्हाका आवडले बिकॉज ते दसोन उरला.
It is too windy, but
yeah, it is too windy, but we are not complaining.
Yes.
Yes, the best view ever.
Yeah.
And just like that, the road trip comes to an end. On our way back, we had some lunch, and I hope you guys also enjoyed watching this fun vlog. Subscribe to the channel if you all haven't already, and I'll see you soon in the next one very soon. Until then, bye.